Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock a document inside of PDF XChange Editor. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a couple of different ways how we can do this. So to access the security on your PDF or on your document, what we can do is click onto one of the top tabs here and look for Protect. And then under Protect, click onto Security Properties. Under security, we can go ahead and add password or change. I've currently got a password on here, so I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. So from here, we can click onto no security. So I'm just going to remove security. Now, if I want to add security, I want to add password security. Now, from here, below Acrobat X and later, we want to encrypt all documents contents and then click on require password, open a document. So I'm going to add that password in now. So I'm going to confirm the password, and then we can also restrict editing and printing. Our password will be required in order to change these permission settings. So if you want to add that, you can as well, and then add another password. Now click OK. Now it says security settings will not be applied until the document is saved and can be changed until the document is closed. So I'm going to click OK, OK. I'm going to close out of it. Now I'm going to go ahead and save it. Now I'm going to go ahead and add that document in. Then from here, I need to add that password in to view and edit that document.